Hagia Sophia, an installation that changed the history of architecture. The former capital of the medieval Roman Empire was Constantinople, now Istanbul, one of the cities in Turkey. Hagia Sophia, a historic site in the heart of Istanbul, has been used as an Orthodox church, a Catholic church, and a mosque. After being used as a museum for the last 6 years, it was converted into a mosque again. Hagia Sophia is considered a metaphor for Byzantine architecture and is said to be a place that changed the history of world architecture. Hagia Sophia from the pages of history. The Byzantine Emperor Justinian I built Hagia Sophia as an Orthodox church in the 6th century. It was used as an Orthodox church from its construction until 1204 AD and was later converted to the Catholic Church, which remained in use until 1261. It was later converted back to the Orthodox Church, which lasted from 1261 to 1453, after the annexation of Turkey by the Ottoman Empire in the mid-15th century. The structure was converted into a mosque and renamed the Imperial Mosque, which lasted for about 500 years. The main mosque in Turkey today is the Sultan Ahmed Mosque, also known as the Blue Mosque. In 1935, Mustafa Kemal Ataturk, the architect of modern Turkey and the first president of independent Turkey, turned the installation into a museum. During the conversion of the structure into a mosque, many marble portraits of Jesus Christ were covered with cement. The same images were recovered 500 years later when it was turned into a museum. As a result, the images of Jesus Christ become very vague. Later, the marble stones inscribed in Arabic by Allahu and Muhammad were also preserved along with it. After the transformation into a museum, new rules were introduced for Hagia Sophia. For example, using the main part of this installation or hall for any religious purpose would be considered a criminal offense and would apply to both Muslims and Christians. The facility has separate reserved areas for people of both religions. In other words, a mosque and a church were built in this complex for prayers, which was reserved for museum staff only. Let's enjoy some great drone videos.